Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about a topic that we get a lot, and that is specifically, does ADA require automatic door openers or the low energy ADA door openers? So as you know, we're a manufacturer of our Commander low energy automatic door operator, and you know, that is a very commonly asked question among contractors, building owners, is, they need to meet ADA compliance, and they're wondering, do I need an automatic door opener? And unfortunately, in today's society, a big deterrent to automatic door openers is usually the price point. um, you know, Automatic door openers are much more expensive than that of the commercial hydraulic door closers. So with a door closer, it's just the non-electric, non-powered spring hydraulic closing device that you see on most interior and exterior doors. And a simple way to remember that is it's just there's no power to it. Whereas the low energy door opener, we call it an opener, but it also can self close. That's the device that is powered, requires electricity, and typically either is activated by the wave to open switches or a push to open stainless steel activation switch. So, to answer that question, ADA does not require that the door have an automatic door opener on it. Situations where you'll typically see the automatic door openers used is when you're in a situation where your door is not meeting ADA compliance using a normal hydraulic non-powered door closer. So what I mean by that is with ADA, they essentially state that the for interior doors, the door cannot take more than 5 pounds of opening force to open that door. And there are always situations essentially where that may not be the case due to weather stripping, due to the door hinges, due to any other factor, and all types of different factors. That door may require more opening force to open that door. And with the door closer on it, even with a barrier-free door closer, you're unable to meet that, to get it to be that 5 pounds of opening force. Well, this is where a powered ADA low energy door opener comes in. Essentially, with the ADA door opener, the opening force is much less than 5 pounds, because essentially the pedestrian simply activates the door to open using the handicap push button, or wave to open switch. So when this happens, there are other requirements that need to be followed, specifically the ANSI requirements for low energy power operators. But, in regards to ADA, assuming that the door opener is adjusted per ANSI standards, the low energy door opener will suffice for ADA compliance in terms of that opening force. So that's typically where you see in low energy ADA door opener in regards to ADA doors. Now, with that being said, the ADA door opener has gained much more popularity in the last 15 years. It used to be there were only a handful of manufacturers that made these door openers, but just with the globalization and communication, especially overseas, you're starting to see more brands of automatic door openers coming into the market. And competition is always good because it eventually leads everyone to make a better automatic door operator. However, I will mention this: it is always worth knowing that you should always know that your ADA door opener needs to meet certain building codes and just certain door code requirements in general. Like, for example, is your door a fire door? That could be a huge factor as to which door opener can even be used on your door. There are a lot of auto door openers out there which they may automatically close with power, but in the event of power loss, that door will stay wide open. So it's not going to be a very safe device to use. It's not going to. It's essentially not a fire compliant automatic door operator. So that's like an example of one factor you need to consider. Other considerations when shopping for a door opener, need to be essentially, is it a trusted brand name? Like with our unit, the Commander, we've had excellent reviews on the product. We're actually, our background is commercial door manufacturing and hardware. So, with our product, all of our distributors absolutely love this product due to the simplicity of installing it. But also, it's one of those units where we made sure it had all the bells and whistles, so you don't have to worry about buying a door opener and then you get it and you realize, oh, I can't even use it on this door. This is a fire door, or oh, this door opener, it's not rated for a big enough commercial door. It's actually more of a kind of residential door opener. With our unit, it's fully adjustable. The closing speed, the opening speed, the hold open time. It has all the bells and whistles in terms of maglock integration, electric strike integration, push and go functionality. Like I said, it can be installed on fire rated doors. It's UL listed. So we carry, our unit, has all the bells and whistles. So these are just things you need to think about if you are in the market for a low energy door opener. And I'll put a link down below to our Commander low energy door opener. You guys feel free to check it out. Check out the cut sheet, the installation. You'll find it's extremely easy to use. In my opinion, the easiest door opener to install out there, and I've installed a lot of door openers, but I'll do more videos on that later on. If you guys have any questions, please comment below, or contact us directly at sales@autodoorandhardware.com. And if you like these kinds of answers to these questions that you guys ask, or that I get a lot, let me know by liking this video or subscribing. We're gonna, in the future, we'll be putting out more videos, especially with our products, in terms of installation and other little facets that you guys might have questions about. So I hope this helps. Thanks, guys.